Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a highly nutritious, protein and fiber rich vegetarian sandwich recipe ideal as a healthy and filling meal in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm heating my kadai with 1 teaspoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Once the jeera splutters, I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida. Give it a stir. Add in 1 onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli chopped, 1/2 inch ginger finely chopped. I'm giving this all a good mix, and on low flame lightly saute the onions until they are transparent or light pink in color. Once the onions are transparent or light pink in color, add in 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. Today I'm using bygone turmeric, which has high curcumin content. 1/2 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. 1/2 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, and I'm mixing the spices really well and allow the spices to roast for about 20 to 30 seconds on low flame so that the raw flavor of the spices are diminished. Add in 1/2 cup Moringa leaves. Moringa is also known as nature's multivitamin. It's a powerhouse of essential vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. I have already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of Moringa leaves. Please do check it out to understand more. 1/2 cup sprouted green moong dal. I have already shared how to sprout green moong dal at home. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out. 1 cup boiled chickpeas, also known as chana. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. 1 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. Give this all a good mix. Add in 2 to 3 splashes of water. Cover and allow it to steam cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, the flame is on the lowest. 2 minutes later, open the lid. Give it a stir. 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Turn off the flame, squeeze in 1/2 a lemon and give it a good mix. While it is still hot, I am lightly mashing the chana with a potato masher. For the sandwich, I am using 2 slices of sourdough bread. Spread some green chutney on the sandwich slice. I have already shared many green chutney recipes. Please do check them out. And place the filling onto the bread slice. Cover it with the other slice and lightly press it down. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm drizzling in a little bit of wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use A2 desi ghee. Place the bread slice on top and place something heavy like a skillet on top. This will help to toast the bread evenly and also will help to seal the filling. Once that side is toasted, remove the skillet on top. Drizzle in a little bit of wood pressed groundnut oil. Carefully flip it over. Place the skillet on top and allow that side to get toasted as well. Once both sides are toasted, transfer to a plate. I like to slice the sandwich just before serving. And my super healthy sandwich is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy sandwich recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.